Once again, folks, please remember to remain seated until the train has come to a safe and complete stop, and the train cars have finished rolling backwards.
The Baldwin Locomotive Works of Philadelphia for the U.S. Army. She served in Alaska during World War II and was brought to Tweetsie Railroad in 1960 to serve alongside locomotive number 12, the original Tweetsie engine. From 1918 to 1940, number 12 ran on the East Tennessee and Western North Carolina Railroad, or ET and WNC, between Johnson City, Tennessee and Boone. Folks back then used to say proudly that ET and WNC also stood for every time and with no complaint. During the troubles of the Great Depression, local folks joked that it could also stand for eat taters and wear no clothes. The train earned the nickname Tweetsie because of the sound of its whistle echoing through these mountains. Before we get started, I just want to remind you to stay in your seats while the train is moving, and be sure to keep your arms and head inside the train cars at all times. You never know when a desperado or tree limb might just sneak up on you. We want you all to be safe and have fun riding the Tweetsie Railroad. Also know that smoking is not allowed on the train, except of course for the engine. Our train will be leaving the station in just a few minutes, so be sure to stay in your seats. Riding the train with you today are the Tweetsie cowboys and cowgirls. They're going to introduce themselves to you and tell you anything else you might need to know. We're so glad you're here today, and we hope you enjoy your ride on the Tweetsie Railroad.
Alrighty, y'all, we're about to take off. If you haven't already, go ahead and fasten your safety harnesses, okay? Oh, I see. Well, in that case, just hold to that black bar when the train goes upside down. You'll be okay.
Okay. That's on a daily basis. All aboard the Tweetsie Railroad. Casey Jones, let's ride. Train's clear, Casey.
Here we go, folks. Be sure to stay in your seats. How about giving the people in town a wave and a big yee-haw? On the right is the Tweetsie Junction with a handmade sign shop, and you can see some entertaining shows at the Palace Saloon. Over to your left is the Hacienda, where we'll be having lots of great special events throughout the season, along with some other surprises. Folks met their ends through violence and gunplay in the streets. They died with their boots on.
But before I do that, I'm going to come say, hey, I'm Robbie. Doesn't mean I got to be made about it. Have a good one. Oh, good. There you go. we doing? Oh, goodness gracious alive. Bless your heart. I'm gonna slip on right back in here. This is Leroy's old stomping ground. Oh, how we doing back here, y'all? Oh, little mammal. And, hey, buddy. Got excited. So that's good. I promise I'll come around with you here in a minute. That's crazy. Yeah.
Seems our cowboys have a little bit of business to take care of here. But keep your eyes peeled. Never know what might happen when a train stops in the middle of a wilderness.
Sheriff. Train deputy. Say what? I don't know. Oh, look. Who's we been here before?
Of course we've been out here before. Sounds like you got some of that deja vu. That doesn't remotely sound like what I just said. All you had to do is repeat the syllables coming out of my mouth. Nope, none of that. Of course we've been out here before. Train stops out here 10 times a day.
Well, I know that, Sheriff. There's just something different about this time.
But before you said it was the same, and now
the clerk gets it.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, the clerk gets it apparently.
Well, clerk can't get it. We gotta go see what's going on over there. Come on.
Yeah, you go get it that way. I'll go this way.
Now, what do you think you're doing? I don't know what we're looking for just yet, but I can guarantee you it didn't come from that outhouse. Well, all right, that's allowable. March will be mighty mad if our outhouse is broken. All right then, folks, looks like my deputy's going to be a little bit indisposed while he makes repairs to the outhouse. So I'm going to need your help. We've been getting reports of mask-wearing bandits in the area. And if you see any, I need you to point them out and scream and holler real loud, all right? Yeah, exactly. Just like that. Very good. That is exactly what you should do if you see a mask-wearing bandit. Good job. Wait, really? Right here, right now? Right back here behind me? All right, I'll look. What? Ha, funny joke. Play a trick on the sheriff. Now, all right, that's real cute, fellas, but this is serious business. We can't be having none of that, all right? What? Over there? Are you sure? All right, I'll take a look. Nothing. Y'all have had too much cotton candy today. You're all hyped up on sugar. Right, fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. 3 times, blame the dog. I ain't listening to y'all no more. I'm just going to head on into the bank, handle my business. Bandit behind you indeed. Look at these kids.
A bandit behind you, I is.
Get out there. You should have told me there was a bandit back there. Come here, you. Now, and stay out. All right, come here.
Now you hold it right there. This here's a darn daylight train robbery.
Now, what's the big idea if somebody's robbing get hurt like that?
The big idea is I'm going to rob this train.
This train right here?
Yes, this train right here.
So fast. It appears that I have got the drop on you.
And up here, I got the jump on you.
Where'd you come from? And who are you two?
Funny you should ask, Deputy. My name's Texas Pete. This here's my little brother Tabasco. And together, we are the Flaming Hot Sauce Bandits. A-cha, a-cha-cha-cha.
Oh, that was precious, Mallard.
What's so funny there, Sheriff?
Hey, nothing. I think y'all have a really great show up on Miners Mountain. Sounds good. Y'all hop on back on the train. We'll take you around there later. We just don't want no trouble around here.
Oh, yeah? Well, trouble's what you got, Sheriff.
Oh,
Yeah.
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 Well, alrighty. Oh, get him.
I'm okay. I'm okay. Where'd he go? Where'd he go?
Oh, yes, he
Hey! What are you two doing?
I win!
I don't think so. Now, I want you two to go up there and get us that gold. And why not?
That there gold's payroll shipment for the trooper up at Fort Boone.
Yeah, you take that gold. But he's gonna be mighty upset with you and with you.
So his feelings are going to be hurt, huh?
A little bit.
He's going to be upset, huh? That we stole his payroll shipment, huh? Well, I don't care. I want you two to go up there and get me that gold right now.
Listen here. I'm going to try to explain this to you one more time. We ain't getting no gold for no mask wearing, skunk smelling, wannabe bandit like you.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Well, alrighty.
Go. Doggy.
We gonna be rich? What you doing? You're sharing gold.
Oh, first of all, I'm gonna be a long stem roast Miss Amethyst up at the palace.
Very appropriate.
Then there's gonna be some fudge from the fudge shop
Fudge.
and a salad.
A saddle.
Yeah.
You don't even ride a horse.
Yes, I do. I ride quarter horses.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I hate him.
Hold it! You two get back over here. All right, Tabasco.
Yeah.
The guy,
See how much gold we got.
the comic
How'd you know?
Yeah,
This is rich. Oh, he's right though. It is 2 bags.
2 bags of gold. Now, I know they didn't sell for 2 bags of gold.
So, do you know where the other 50 bags are? Come on, you want to go, little man? Oh, what do you mean? Well, where's the gold? Come on, man, it's not a secret that the gold is at Fort Boone.
Deputy!
Everybody knows that the gold is at Fort Boone.
All right, that does it. You're fired. I'm taking this guy. He's a way better deputy than you.
Thank you, Deputy.
Hey, Jeff,
Fine. What?
I know where the gold is.
Where?
Fort Boone.
Well, we all heard where it's
No, I
at.
didn't say Fort Boone, I said Fort Boone.
Well, it don't make no matter none. You two get that gold box up there on that train. We're going to Fort Boone. Tabasco, take care of the people.
Take care of the people.
Take care of them.
Take care of them. I can do that. I can do that. Alrighty. My name's Tabasco. I'm going to be taking care of you. Can I start off with beverages, maybe some water, Coke products, fried pickle?
Tabasco!
What?
Take care of them in a mean way is what I meant.
Oh, a mean way?
Yes.
Why didn't you just say so? You're getting an unsalted pretzel, you're getting unsweet tea, and you're gonna like it.
No, no, hey,
sir.
Don't let the kid flirt, folks. Mr. Conductor, get us up to Fort Boone.
Hey,
Folks, these outlaws don't look none too friendly, so it will be in your best interest to stay in your seats and out of their way. Casey Jones, we better do as they say and get this train on up to Fort Boone.
Oh, gosh. What?
Folks, I've been the conductor on this here train for a mighty long time, and I've seen many outlaws trying to rob the old Tweetsie train, but none have ever been successful until, well, now. Doesn't look like anybody's coming to our rescue, and the bad guys have finally won. Why don't you just come on back here and make me, Mr. Tabasco?
You listen here, I'll give you a Wild West look, boy.
I didn't say anything else.
Nobody coming to save us for the week, chopped liver.
All right, you law dogs, back to back, cheek to cheek, that's like you love
Texas
me,
Pete! Texas Pete! Texas Pete!
What is it, Tabasco?
Real quick, I got a birthday on my train car.
What are you wearing?
A hat that I stole.
Okay.
Not from the birthday kid.
No, not from the birthday kid. His name's Jonathan. He's turning 11. Can we sing to him real quick?
Might as well.
All right. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is your birthday song. It is a girl. Hey!
All right, we got train robbing to do. All right, you two, back to back, cheek to cheek, and act like you love one another. Now, Tabasco, I got a job for you.
A job.
I don't know. Anyways, I want you to tie them two up and make sure they don't get loose this time.
No worries, Big Jeff.
You fool, you idiot.
What?
We're big time bandits now. We go by code names. Texas Pete, Tabasco.
But you call me idiot.
That's just what Grandma Chipotle used to call you. Oh, yeah. All right, start tying them up.
All right.
Something snappy. Something
Sure.
snappy.
No, hold that, okay?
Something upbeat.
Hey, hey, hey. Hold it. Blue smoke climbing up the mountain. Hold it, we have to get on with the show. Blue smoke climbing up the mountain. Blue smoke riding around the bend. Blue smoke is named the Heartbreak Train. I am riding in. Yeah! I can do a little hold down too. Yeah. Okay, I'm done.
Look, I'm going to go that way. You're going to go this way. We're going to meet in the middle, and we're going to find that gun.
Sounds like a plan to me. Oh,
Just get in
I'm
there.
sorry!
Get in there. Blue smoke climbing up the mountain.
All right then. Hey, you fellas seem to know what's going on. What happens next?
Marshall comes.
Marshall comes!
Oh, is it you? Are you gonna come to save us?
Oh, hey.
That's the marshal. Apparently you're here to save us. He's got no strip a lot there. Oh, well, you see, the hot sauce bandits got the drop on us and tied us up, and now they're running amok inside the fort looking for the gold.
Hot sauce bandits? I see.
Got
Well,
plans?
yeah, how about I go around back and try to wrangle those bandits? You two stay here and look at your boss. See if he can help you out.
The super boss gonna help us out.
Okay. All right, we'll do it then.
I wonder if it's trooper bugs or if it's junior bugs.
We'll see. Spoilers. Trooper Elizabeth Winifred Boggs, where are you?
Popcorn for sale, popcorn for
Hey,
sale. Hey, you're gonna hear about the Boy Scouts of America. You're buying a popcorn. Hey, it's fresh Scouts Honor. There you go. Popcorn.
Hey, you're supposed to be guarding gold, not hopping popcorn.
Well,
There's no way he can do that.
nobody, and I mean nobody, will ever find it.
Where?
And
Oh, I already.
They know where it is.
Where is it?
what's this happening?
How'd you know that?
I read the script.
Come on, let's go!
Yes, it's Pete.
Have you seen that gold anywhere?
No, I ain't seen no sign of gold. I did find a bunch of shiny yellow rocks, but I threw them away because I know you like candles, and I found this pretty candle for you.
You did what?
I threw the shiny rocks away and gave you this
Listen to me.
candle.
Why, you idiot! That's dynamite!
What about this one?
All right.
That's triple the
What
dynamite!
about this one?
Oh my goodness.
Are
Are you trying to kill us?
Oh.
Wait a minute! How'd y'all get untied?
We got loose.
I can see that. How did you do that?
Marshal Frieda.
That's real funny.
That's rich.
The Marshal.
What?
The Marshal.
Why you
The Marshal!
Time to see who these bandits really are. Hey, hang on. Who are these bandits really? Do you know?
Hang on.
Big Jess Jenkins
Oh, Big Jess Jenkins.
and
Who's
Maddie.
this?
Maddie.
You could have saved us a lot of trouble if you'd have told us that in the beginning.
Well, at least they know who we are.
All right, then. What do you say we do with these fellas, Boggs?
I say we eat them.
What?
Well, you know what? I gotta change the part. Instead, why don't you make them go watch Buckstock's magic shows?
Oh, no, I'm not with that. No. I already experienced that one last year. No. I think that's out of the question.
All right, that seems like a pretty good punishment.
Then
Oh, no,
just
no.
throw them in jail and lock them up.
I like it. I did that.
What you gonna do if the rest of their gang shows up?
Don't worry, we'll take care of the rest of them.
Flaming hot sauce bandits. Ha-cha. Ha-cha.
Don't make fun. It took me 2 weeks to come up with it.
You fool, Grandma Chipotle come up with that, you know.
Yeah, but it took me 2 weeks to learn it. Folks, please return to your seats. And how about a big old round of applause for the Tweetsie Cowboys, Cowgirls, and Trooper Boggs. Casey Jones, I've had enough for the day. Let's get this train on back to town. Everybody okay? That did not go according to plan. okay. We try again at approximately 10:30 Saturday morning. Yeah. Right around then.
Sure hope y'all like what you saw. We'll be pulling back into town in just a few minutes, and you can treat yourself to some good food and cold drinks. Maybe take in a show at the Palace Saloon, Pavilion Stage, or visit one of our many stores and get a souvenir to take home. There's a lot to see and do, Tweetsie. Here we are back in town, and Tweetsie and her crew kept you safe and sound. And be sure to stay that way. Please stay in your seats until the train has come to a complete stop. Then exit out the moving train cars. Thanks for riding with us. Y'all come back and ride with us again real soon. Bye-bye now.
Welcome back to town, folks. Once again, please remember to remain seated until the train has come to a safe and complete stop, and the train cars have finished rolling backwards. At this time, it is safe to exit out. Casey, we're ready to back You're clear back up.
Open doors.